So my question is about graphic content. So, for example, recently there was a man that was stabbed in a mosque in France. And on Google, I came across this link which led me to the uncensored video of the man's killing. And I can imagine that a lot of youngsters are curious to this type of uncensored graphic content. So should we as Muslims stay away from it, or is it okay to watch? Hayakallah, Sheikh.
It is not permissible for us as Muslims to watch such heinous crime committed not only against a Muslim, but against humanity as a whole. I don't know what kind of sick minds enjoy watching atrocities and people in their wounds or being killed or tortured. This is sadistic, this is sick. Let alone it's a Muslim brother being brutally murdered in the masjid. And you watch this? This is totally haram. You're violating the rights of this brother who was unjustly murdered like that. And as Muslims, we condemn any such violence against any human being, let alone a Muslim, let alone in a masjid, of course. So no, this is not permissible for us as Muslims to watch.